The Jam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam family, the Jam family, Jam fam, come hang with me. Jam fam, come hang with me. There's like this downstairs section. There's like a living room, a bedroom, a bathroom, and a study. I'll show you that later. This is soon going to be my room, hopefully. This is another bathroom. And this is the kitchen. Okay, now it's time for the downstairs. So, right now, this is going to be our family room. Currently it's empty though. This is our guest room. It used to be a garage, but it's been converted for us, which is very helpful. This is the downstairs bathroom. Not really that interesting, but so this is our study. We are going to get some desks and stuff to put in here. So yeah, it's a bit dark soon. Mommy, do you want me to get the stuff in the kitchen now?
We have some of the cupboards clear, so you can start packing stuff in where you want to pack them. I think what we need to do is decide where we're going to put those and these containers. And then we can earmark where we're going to put plates and stuff. So in there, we're going to need to get the second shelf put in, because at the moment the shelves, this is where the stove is going to be. So we need to figure out, we can't put anything up here that's going to be sweaty, or that we keep to not get sweaty. So I don't know what we're going to put over the counter just yet. We can fix this thing. But then we also have a small place on that one. But I think we need to try and earmark. Over there, I think we should make it part of the pantry and all of those, so we can stack them here, because if you look inside, you see that they're really deep and these. So we could earmark over there for that, and then we just need to figure out what we're going to put in which part of here. I don't really mind. So maybe we put the containers over here. Don't know.
So we can put it in the top cupboard.
Yeah, we could do that.
We'll have to wait till the sugar comes, because my dad doesn't have sugar.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I'm sure we know what's in there.
Do we have
I don't think we do, because the ones that we were going to carry because of the weight. So I will take it. I personally, yeah, we could. Once we open the basket. You could probably put one of those 2 hours without wipe out on the bottom of these. You have to go all the way back, that's why I'm asking. It's just the spaghetti I left here. So earmark on the comments that way you can decide if you want to do ones underneath.
Have bottle bottles, some ribs, some peanut, straw, and
Baking powder, we're going in the same place where you put the containers. A really hot morning. When we got to the accommodation, it was really late and dark, so we didn't do a recording of our arrival. But this is us in the morning, and we're going to be heading out. It's about local time 8:30, 9 o'clock, and we're heading to go into the town just to get a few things and to go into some offices and get some business done. And we will let you know how we get on. And we're going to try public transport this morning and see how that works. So we have to come to the tax office, which after several months of trying to get our documents updated, we had to come and spend some time here to get it done.
Are we going to the master map? You said you wanted to get oil and chicken.
So we went out to shop today just to get a few things so that we can get started on what we need to eat and just have some stuff. So this is some of the things we bought. So I'll show you the things I bought and Eliona will show you the things she wanted. So as you know, we're waiting for our shipment to come, and so we don't have a fridge. And to help with that, what we've done is we've decided to go for some everyday instant modified milk powder. We've bought 3 packs of those. We've just used one, and then we have the other 2 here. I needed a tea bag, so we bought an instant ginger bag. I bought a bag of callaloo. I wanted to taste my gizzarda, so I bought that. We have a few of our clothes that we've worn so far that I'm just going to wash, so we bought 3 of these soaps that we're going to use. And we bought a litre of vegetable oil. We bought this bottle of water. We bought a ketchup, some browning, and an all-purpose seasoning. We bought a dozen eggs, and also I bought a whole chicken. I've just left this over here because it's rock solid.
So now that you've seen the things my mum has bought, let me show you the things I bought. So first I got this tin of mayonnaise. I got 3 tins of sausage, since we don't have a fridge or freezer to put them in. I bought this big bag of cereal, and then I got this mac and cheese, which I've already started to cook.
And that's one of the large packs of mac and cheese, so it's a family size.
I got this orange syrup, so I can make some nice orange squash every so often. I got my favourite peanut punch. And we got some slut pudding, and the thing I haven't tried since for as long as I can remember, some eggnog.
So just to show you again the things that we got. So that's all the things that we got. And we paid altogether for that. It cost us $8,835 dollars and 41 pence. So 8,000. You tell them how much it cost.
It was $8,835. So yeah.
And we have my friend brought some avocado over for us, so we can have. He bought us some yam, so this one is yellow yam.
And some delicious plantain. We also have some hard dough bread to enjoy, and we just finished the patty that we bought the other day.
So we had a box of patty from before. However, the cost of the things that we've just told you are just the things that you see in front of you and the chicken that we showed you earlier. So just to give you an idea of the cost of things in Jamaica.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you the stuff that we are going to create. So over here in this cupboard, we've got lots of containers that we need to fill with different kinds of seasoning, flour, stuff like that. So I'm going to show you my cereals. So currently I don't have any cereal, but now I'm going to show you. So this comes with cereal scoop, which is honey. So leave the rest at the side for when I have my first or second cereal done. So I'll just like this. I have this on the side. And I can either open it like this and scoop it out, or I can do this and pull it in. So now the cereal is done, I'll pack that. So, taking us back to what we got. So yeah, that's our first shopping, and if you wanted to know where we got that from, we got it from this place called Jamaican, so you can go check that out.
I'm just washing out the clothes that got messed up in the luggage and what we wore yesterday. And of course the line outside isn't up anymore. So until we get the line put up, I'm just going to hang these bits on the bathroom rail. Did you pack your books up?
Not yet. I was just cleaning the toilet and my toilet in my bathroom.
Okay.
Check if it's okay.
The Jam Fam family.
How are you doing?
We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun. enjoying the good life. Jam fam family, the Jam fam family, Jam fam, come hang with we. Jam fam, come hang with we.